Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Has your girlfriend or wife ever gushed about something she absolutely loved, but later on she told you she hated it? Or how about this? Has your girlfriend or wife ever told you something she wanted to do, and so you spent the next few days or weeks preparing to do that thing with her, but suddenly she told you it was something she didn't want to do? What's going on? Why do women say one thing and mean something else? Why do they keep changing their minds? Well, in this video, I'll show you the missing link between what a woman says and what she really means. Keep watching. Before we start though, could you help me out? Look underneath this video and click on the like button because you'll really encourage me to make more of these videos for you if you do that. So help me by clicking like. I'll wait here. Done clicking like? Great. Let's start now. Okay, so here's the thing. Have you ever said, but you said blank to your girlfriend or wife? Or have you ever wondered why she'd say one thing but mean or do something completely different? If so, then that means one thing. You don't understand how women communicate. And that's okay, because here's the thing. Even women don't understand how women communicate. Still, you'll need to wise up quick. And so here's what you need to know. There are two styles of speaking, the masculine style and the feminine style. The masculine style says what it means. The feminine style says what it feels at the moment. Did you catch that difference? There's more. The masculine style's word is its honor. The feminine style's word is fleeting and temporary. Here's the thing you must understand about how women communicate. Sometimes women speak in the masculine style, and in these moments you can trust them to mean what they say. And yet, the vast majority of the time, women speak in the feminine style, in which they mean what they say, but only at that moment. What they'll say can change in 5 minutes, depending on how they feel. In their minds, they're not lying. They're completely honest with themselves and the world. And so it's wrong to expect your woman to mean everything she says. In other words, you can't judge the feminine with the rules of the masculine. That would just lead to, you guessed it, communication problems. So you'll need to change a few things in the way you communicate with your woman, and fast. Here's how. Some guys, after they learn about the feminine style of speaking, ask me, does that mean we shouldn't trust anything a woman says? The answer is, of course, no. And here's why. You see, the feminine style of speaking is like the ocean surface. It can be flat calm or dangerously rough, depending on its environment. If a woman is in an unhappy, frustrating, or tumultuous relationship, then most of the time her words will not match what she really means. But if she's in a happy, satisfying, peaceful relationship, then she'll mean every word she says literally. I hope you caught that. Very important. In fact, it's only when you're sure your woman is happy, stable, and in love with you that you can take anything she says literally. And when she's not happy or stable or in love with you, then don't take anything she says personally. Just don't. It's not personal. It's just her speaking out how she feels at that moment, and how she feels can change in the snap of a finger. I mean, if you really think about it, we guys are a lucky bunch. We know what we want. We say what we mean. We follow what works. Pretty simple. Women, on the other hand, are under constant mental stress. Here's what your woman is going through right now. 1. She doesn't really know what she wants. 2. She only knows how she feels at the moment. 3. She makes most, if not all, of her decisions in life based on how she feels. This is the reason why women say they want successful, stable men, but end up dating players and deadbeats. That's the reason why they love drama, even though drama makes everyone feel worse. And that's the reason why they use emotional blackmail, even though it's damaging to the relationship. So what's the solution then? Well, it turns out that the solution is pretty simple. We'll talk about what the solution is in a short while. For now, if you like this video, then I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Just scroll down, find the big red subscribe button and click it. Go on, do it. Done subscribing? Great. Now let's continue. Now let's recap what we have covered so far. Women don't follow what works. They follow what they feel. It's a habit, and they're powerless against it. Big problem, right? But again, the problem holds the seed of its own solution. And that solution comes in the form of the hypnosis technique you're about to learn. This is the same hypnotic technique that hypnotherapists use on their clients to 1. Break bad habits, like smoking, drinking, nail biting, etc. 2. Cure depression, anxiety, phobias, and addictions. 3. Undo toxic beliefs and improve quality of life. It's also the same hypnotic technique used by entertainment companies, commercial brands, and world leaders to build tremendous loyalty to them or their products. And yes, it's the same hypnotic technique that will make your woman snap out of her bad behavior, fall madly in love with you for life, and make her obey your every command and respect your authority. What's this hypnotic technique? It's called fractionation. In a nutshell, it's a storytelling technique that puts her on an emotional roller coaster. With your words, you make your woman feel intensifying cycles of 1. Pain versus relief. 2. Pressure versus pressure. 3. Sadness versus happiness. 4. Anger versus compassion. 5. And other emotional ups and downs. Ever followed an addicting TV show like Game of Thrones? If you think about it, it's one giant emotional roller coaster all the way. And that's what keeps you and millions of other viewers hooked. Well, guess what? That's the same effect fractionation will have on your woman, except she'll feel hooked on you. And yes, you can then kiss communication problems goodbye. Here's the best news of all. You can learn and master fractionation right now. All you'll need to do is join Derek Rake's legendary online masterclass on mind control, which I highly recommend. A link will come up in your video. To join the masterclass, click on the link and follow the instructions. Do it.